Welcome back to my channel Knowledge Chronicle.
Breathing. It's something we do every moment, yet we rarely think about it. But have you ever wondered how your body decides when to breathe faster or slower? Or what happens when diseases like asthma or emphysema take control of your lungs? Today, we're diving deep into the science of breathing and gas exchange, the process that fuels every cell in your body. Stay with us until the end to uncover the hidden mechanisms that regulate your breath and the disorders that can threaten it. Let's get started. Every breath you take brings oxygen into your lungs, where it enters tiny air sacs called alveoli. These alveoli are surrounded by a network of blood vessels. Through a process called diffusion, oxygen moves from the alveoli into the bloodstream, while carbon dioxide, a waste product, moves in the opposite direction and is exhaled. But how does your body know when to breathe faster or slower? That's where the magic of respiratory regulation comes in. Breathing isn't just an automatic process, it's controlled by your brain to meet your body's needs. Imagine you're running, your muscles demand more oxygen, and your breathing rate increases. But when you're sleeping, your breathing slows down. How does this happen? The Respiratory Rhythm Center, located in the medulla oblongata, this acts as the brain's breathing control hub. It automatically sets the rhythm of breathing based on your body's needs. The pneumotaxic center, found in the pons, this acts like a breathing regulator. It can shorten the duration of inhalation, making breathing faster when needed. The chemosensitive area, located near the rhythm center, this is the alert system of your breathing. It detects high levels of carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions in the blood. If carbon dioxide builds up, the brain sends signals to breathe faster and deeper, removing excess carbon dioxide. Aortic and carotid receptors. These are special sensors in the aortic arch and carotid arteries. They continuously monitor the levels of carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions in your blood. If there's an imbalance, they send signals to the brain to adjust breathing. But what about oxygen? Surprisingly, oxygen plays a minor role in controlling breathing. Your body is much more sensitive to rising carbon dioxide levels than to falling oxygen levels. Sometimes, the delicate balance of the respiratory system is disrupted by diseases. Let's explore some of the most common ones. Asthma, the airways under attack. Asthma is a condition where the bronchi and bronchioles, which are the airways inside the lungs, become inflamed and narrowed, making it hard to breathe. Triggers like dust, pollen, smoke, and even cold air can worsen the condition. This results in wheezing, shortness of breath, and chest tightness. Example: imagine trying to breathe through a straw. It's difficult, right? That's what an asthma attack feels like. Emphysema, the damage from smoking. In emphysema, the walls of the alveoli break down, reducing the lung's surface area for gas exchange. This means the body gets less oxygen and breathing becomes exhausting. One of the major causes? Cigarette smoking. The harmful chemicals in smoke destroy lung tissue over time, leading to irreversible damage. Think of alveoli like tiny balloons. When they lose their elasticity, they can't expand and contract properly. This makes exhaling difficult, causing trapped air in the lungs. Occupational respiratory disorders, the danger of dust. In industries like stone cutting, mining, and textile work, tiny dust particles fill the air. Over time, these particles get trapped in the lungs, leading to inflammation and fibrosis or scar tissue formation. Imagine a sponge absorbing water. Now picture that sponge hardening over time. That's how fibrosis makes the lungs stiff, making breathing harder. Workers in high-dust industries should always wear protective masks to prevent lung damage. Your lungs work tirelessly every second to keep you alive, yet we often take them for granted. Simple lifestyle changes, like avoiding smoking, wearing masks in polluted areas, and staying away from allergens, can protect your respiratory health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to support us. Your one like, share, and subscribe will help us create more valuable content. See you in the next video.